How we doing YouTube? It's R6 Monkey here, and what I'm going to be doing today is fitting a new air filter into the R6, into the seal. It's probably well overdue. So we're going to crack on. First off, hope you all had a nice Christmas and New Year, and I hope you didn't miss me too much, but I will be back. Right, so first off, we've got two Allen key bolts at the top of the fuel tank. Normally what you can do is just lift it up and prop up with a block, but I've got other bits and pieces I'm going to be doing to the bike, so I'm actually going to take the fuel tank off. So we'll start with that. So first off, Allen keys. Get the right size. So 5mm Allen key bolts obviously hold the tank on, and they will be pretty tight. Right, so we'll just turn the bars a wee bit so as we can get into it. There goes Allen key. Right, so that's the two bolts out. As I did say, normally you'd get away with just lifting up the tank and propping it up, but I've got another couple of wee jobs I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks, so I'm actually going to take the whole fuel tank off and put it to the side. So, got another wee 5mm Allen key bolt here at the hinge. We'll just take this off. I've actually got a wee tray down here which I keep all my nuts and bolts that I take off the bike in to keep them organised. So we will start off by gently lifting this off and seeing what pipe work we have to disconnect. Just a thought, so round this side you've actually got a fuel tap. So at least that's the fuel turned off, which means I can now disconnect the pipe for the filter. Pair of pliers. Right. So that is the fuel tank off. Next thing is the breather pipe that runs along the top of the filter. You can just move that out the road. And then it's just your, what we got here, we've got 6 Phillips head screws. So, for those of you that don't know, this is a 2000 model Yamaha R6. Model number in the UK is the 5EB. Just in case, obviously, you're comparing it to your own bike, you know what it is that you're looking for. What I've actually done is, even though the fuel tap's off, I've took the fuel tank off and just sat it with the pipe sitting in a basin, just so as I don't have fuel leaking all over my lockup. So there we go, that's the top off. Cage and the filter. As you can see, it is pretty minging. So it's well overdue. I'm just going to give this a wipe, because it's just full of all sorts of crud. Now, I had looked into replacing with the K&N filter, but when you're running standard carbs, I heard that it's not the greatest. Heard a lot of problems with folk with just bogging down, too much air intake, and obviously that's your carbs in there. And just have a wee so the airbox actually looks pretty decent. So first off is I'll put this back on, because I went with a standard foam filter, I still need that bit. And the one I went with was the high flow Filtro. That is your replacement filter there. You'll see how much cleaner it looks compared to the other one. And straightforward, just you get your 3 locating pins, you just put them on, and then your filter housing cage just goes back over the top. And then air filter housing goes back on. Fasten up your 6 screws. And then once you've done up all your screws, it's then just a case of putting the breather pipe back on. Obviously there's a filter collector box down here which you can also empty out, make sure it's nice and clear. That looks good. And then after that, it's then just a case of putting everything back together. Fuel tank back on. Well, chances are you probably wouldn't have took it right off like me, but if you did, then it's just your main fuel line, your connector plug, and your two pipes that go into the bottom of the tank. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to fit an air filter to a 2000 model Yamaha R6. Piece of cake. I'm not going to bother putting it back together just yet because, as I say, I do have another couple of jobs which I'm going to be doing. There will be videos coming up for what I'm doing. Hopefully they're helpful to a few people. But that's really about it, guys. Can't wait till the better weather comes in. Get back out on the bike. Missed it. Not been out in must be October, November since I was last out on the bike, and I really need to get back out. So that's it, guys. Remember, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.